The self-learning training model allows users to customize the recognition capabilities of their photo albums. By training this model, the system can learn to identify specific objects or categories, thereby improving the accuracy of photo categorization. Taking library model training based on pumpkin lamps as an example, you first need to collect a set of photos featuring pumpkin lamps, which can be saved on a local computer or NAS device. The model training package supports offline training for model recognition of specific objects, and can be used to categorize photos within the library. Click User Avatar Settings, AI Settings, in the upper right corner of the photo album interface and enable Download Model Training Package. Go to Photos, Tools, Custom Learning, to enter the model training interface. For the first training session, click Train New Model. On the guidance page, you can directly import photos from the library, the NAS folder, or the local computer. After importing your photos, click Start Training to begin annotating them. Use the mouse to drag and select the main subject of the model in each of the 10 photos one by one. Click Submit to initiate the training process. On the Submit interface, click Edit to change the cover and fill in the model name and description information. You can check the Personal Library box in the lower left corner of this pop-up window to apply the model to your personal library. When the training is complete, click Confirm, and the system will proceed with custom learning, automatically recognizing photos with the main subject of the model and categorizing them into the album. To delete, edit, and modify the library model information, you can go to Photos, Tools, Custom Learning, and click the Inside the Photo Frame to perform the following actions. To apply this model to your personal photo library, click the Apply to option and confirm by clicking the Enable button. To export this model package to a NAS device or a local device, click Export Model. To view and modify the name, cover, and description of this model, click Edit. To delete the model, click Delete.